How to contact Expedia support. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can contact Expedia support, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to contact Expedia support, it's actually very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Expedia application. Once you launch the Expedia app, what you need to do is just tap on this little chat icon which you see from the bottom right. So just tap on it. Now by default you will not have a real person with you. You'll be talking to a virtual agent, which is AI based chatbot. But this agent can also help you in many ways, such as cancelling your booking, showing all of your refunded tips and so on. But if you want to contact to a real agent, then what you can actually do is, first of all, you'll see all this sorts of information, right? And then it'll give you some of the information. Whenever it gives you options, you always have to select something else or do something else, just some kind of information like that. Because if you don't do that, until then the virtual agent is going to keep talking to you, and if there is some kind of topic that the virtual agent cannot help you with, they will directly connect you to a real assistant. So I'll just select try different info and so on until I go ahead and connect to a real agent, and then you should be able to contact them in that way. And that's all it takes to contact Expedia support. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.